Demystifying the phrase, filter through. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, filter through. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. First, let's start with the word filter itself. A filter is a device or medium used to remove unwanted substances from something. Imagine coffee filters. They allow the liquid coffee to pass through while trapping the coffee grounds. So, when something filters, it essentially passes through some medium, leaving unwanted elements behind. When we say filter through in English, we often use it metaphorically. It means that information, news, or a certain change is slowly becoming known or felt by more and more people. For example, when you hear the sentence, "News of the company's bankruptcy slowly filtered through the town," it means that the information spread gradually among the residents. To give you a better grasp, let's look at a few examples. 1. Rumors about the celebrity's visit filtered through the crowd, causing excitement. 2. It took a while for the importance of the announcement to filter through to everyone. 3. As the morning sun began to rise, light filtered through the curtains. These examples show that filter through can be used in various contexts, not just with information but also with light or any other element that gradually spreads or becomes apparent. There you have it. The phrase, filter through, beautifully captures the essence of something spreading or becoming known gradually. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in many situations, from talking about rumors to describing the morning sunlight. We hope this video shed light on its meaning and usage for you. Stay tuned for more enriching content, and as always, keep learning and growing.